$8,000 from Will.
Well, Frank, thank you so much. You know, say, Will, I'm not tell a lie. You know, some gas just finish. Just finish. So me I tell you, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Tara, you too?
Thank you very much. I make your food basket never empty.
Give her an applause. I'm clap for her now.
Yo, watch it, you know, nobody in there, dog. Oh, sorry, nobody in there, bro. Can't believe you know. I just think.
Alive, man. I saw the love set, man. You see me? Big up to Mummy Mission.
Where is the mother still in there, bro?
Cooler, man. Kitchen frame out and everything. That's good. So, plumb me out. Plumb me. Let's do the intro.
Only plum $10. I'm selling at the rain, I'm selling at the sun. I sell when I'm old, I'm sell when I'm young. Say plum ya.
And anybody lick me, me not done.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching Kino live in Jamaica. So, blessed love, guys. Yeah, so you know the thing goes, you know the thing go. You know the journey always continue, you know it never stops. You know the journey always keep going. You know so today now, you know we also have a content creator. He's from Sentan. I also do a wonderful work as well to that. I also do charity work, him help out the less fortunate, him help out the needy. You know, so my mom is also a fan of his channel. She always watch him, you know. So she's the one that brought it to my attention, you know, about the work that he's doing down there in St. Anne's. You know, and she really appreciates the work that he's doing, just like how she really proud of what I'm doing. So that's the next young gentleman doing the same work that I'm doing, you know, which is we need more young youths across the island to be doing the same thing that I'm doing with an honest heart, a kind heart, you know, not doing it for the money, but doing it for the love of them art, you know, try to help out each other, you know, because that's how we can help Jamaica better, when we help each other, you know. So that is the way forward. So you know, my mom, she always watches his program, and she noticed whenever he's doing his videos, you know, she said you hardly could hear him because he's videoing without a mic. You know, sometimes it goes as well when you're recording without a mic, you know, kind of hard to get the audio across so people can hear you clearly. You know, even though sometimes I use a mic and sometimes I don't, because I really know how to gauge my volume whenever I'm editing. You know, sometimes I try to do so, sometimes I don't. You know, so it's always good to have a mic so people can hear your voice clearly. You know, like now I'm using my mic. So I don't know most time if you can tell the difference, but now I'm using my mic. Yeah, so she sent down 2 wireless mic for him, you know, and also a phone stand, you know, to help him out on the duty that he's doing. So it's more or less hassle for him for what he's doing, you know, and we appreciate my mommy to do so, you know. So she consider that, you know, so at least now whenever he's doing his videos, you know, people can hear more clearly and she can hear more clearly. You know, we thank her for considering that, you know, being so considerate. Well, you know, that's my mommy, you know, the thing goes already with my mom. she's just, remember now, I'm Kino, I'm her son, so just imagine my mom what she's like, you know. If the son is like this, just imagine what the mom is like, you know, and even also my dad. So it's like I got that bloodline, you know. My mom, my dad combined together with that pure heart. Trust me, it works wonders, you know. That's what makes me the man that I am today, you know. So we always have to help each other. That's how it goes, you know. It's nothing but love. So we give thanks. So we're going to meet him. Well, he's going to head into Kingston, you know, from St. Anne. So I'm going to meet him downtown, you know. So apparently him not reach us yet. So I'm just going to wait a little bit whenever I'm reach downtown. I'll go and meet him, you know, and make sure we see him have his mic so he can actually continue on his journey. And so guys, you can go and check him out. You know, it's called Javani J.A. You know, so I'll put the link in the description so you can go and check him out. Check out the wonderful work that he's also doing. See him and give a helping hand if you can. You know, anyway, thing once you're over there, they say, yo, Keenan Life in Jamaica send me here. They say, Keenan send me. You know, show him the love, see him, because he's doing good work, and encourage him to continue to do so, because, you know, we need more people like us doing the same thing across the island. You know, if every youth can do that to their community, they kind of uplift more than waiting around and see what, you know, the government is going to do. We can also do it ourselves also. Yes guys, so remember, thank you so much for watching. Remember, please to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. If you forgot to put the thumbs up like now, you can go pause the video, put the thumbs up, and then you can come back and rewatch your video. You won't miss a thing because the video is going to be there, you know. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. So, you know, show the love, make the love flow, you know. Subscribe by supporting, like by supporting, and we thank you so much. So blessed love. So let's take you on this journey. So you know, you think about Dream Team and Team. Alright guys, so at the meantime, you know, like I'm not reached yet, just reached downtown. So I also got a family, you know, that sell nuts and them stuff, nuts and beans and peas, you know, here in the market. So I'm gonna go and check her and see if I could get some. I need some nuts for whenever I'm making my smoothies, you know. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me get out this car, go get myself some nuts. Especially I want some dates. I really want some dates. I really love dates. Get some dates, because dates is all good stuff. So many nutrients as well to dates. So good. Hello.
That's it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Hey! What for? Oh, mommy. Let me try. Wow. Y'all go try, you better walk.
Baby, I want some dates.
Baby.
Baby, I sell the dates them.
Yeah, 16 on
How are this a pound?
Half pound.
I can always show them auntie. See her there.
So what one?
Want some dates?
They not take the dates already.
I think we can need another one.
Yeah, what I gonna do with me?
I want some mixed nuts as well too, please.
Oh, you have the mixed nuts in our dates?
No, but I want the dates. I want more. I like Andy.
No, the wire. You look like half a light post. Like
the breeze.
Yeah. From the morning, I'm not getting no silk.
Light.
The breeze that blow the wire.
Want the pound of dates. 1 pound of dates. She said nuts, beans, peas, everything. She said nuts, beans, peas, everything. So, auntie baby!
11,000.
I give me all of that and done now. All of that.
Are you to carry some money coming on? How much money this? That money I look so look a bit. Look a bit. Look a bit. And I check them, I check them.
That's it?
No, next week.
If you know dates is very good for you. 2 dates a get a day. Keep the doctor away.
No, the content. We're supposed to have one bag up there. We don't know if
But this is our mixed nuts.
you don't know a sheep, you know. Like if somebody beg her buy it.
How much auntie?
What money you give me?
Any amount, man.
Me always in your hand.
Oh gosh, I really.
Your money. Let me tell you the right money. You're not pay right money.
Eh? I'm well set. Get one bag now, please.
You buy more things?
Forget bag?
You buy things?
No.
No, come on, let me give you one, bro.
Oh no, no, no.
Huh?
That's Jenna there, man.
Never be go to border.
When I land favor you. In my land favor.
No?
Yeah. Joe, your land favor look like a shit. You look like Lance. Let me see. You know see tight shoes.
There you go.
Yeah man. Come get the end stuff, you know, gonna blend up. You know what thing go, baby?
Yeah.
Look for me again very soon.
Yeah. So him say. See, so him say.
You know though. Man, no man. It's a resemblance.
Come drink a jelly.
Alright, wash off my heart. You see? That's the auntie they use to come drink that jelly. Yeah, so Chris. And it's ready already, Chris?
What you want? Jelly with meat, by the way? Are that young, you know?
It's young. A young one, the best one.
Oh, then, sir. I want the good pressure.
I'm not under pressure now, I'm going to drink it to you, man.
Jelly done, brother. Why yesterday they're going to pay for sodomite. Nah, that one they pull me. Thank you, auntie, baby. Thank you. All right. Alright guys, so I got my nuts, all my nuts that we are gonna need. It's windy. Windy. General! It's windy guys, when I lie, it's very windy. So you know, out here you always have people help make you get parking. So you know you always have to just give them a thing also, you know. Yes guys, so I say you don't know you have to bless them with that thing. So Giovanni just phoned me say he's here. So I guess he's at the bus park. So I'm just heading down to the bus park, which is just literally like seconds down the road from where I'm at. So it's only like seconds away. So let me go pull up on the outside. So this is the bus park here. And that is the bus park there. I guess you're driving from here. Alright, so see that guy, see there. Up on arrival, you know what I'm saying, touchdown like I play them a come off. The man and brother Brookie. So we have Giovanni J.A. and we have Brookie TV. So we're gonna make him explain more about Film TV, but we also get to that one there. So we have Giovanni J.A. the same way, and we have Brookie always there on the camera. He's gonna go and do the good work. See him, as I said.
One team, one gym. Love the subscriber. Whenever healing will be possible, you see me?
Yeah.
So I want to say big up to all I love the subscriber. Big up to you. Jack boy, I knew that. We are putting in some more. Just stay tuned and watch that.
Yeah. And we have Giovanni J.A. right here.
Yes guys, so I want to say big up Mummy Mitch because she make this possible. Because she been not telling me say she want, but no, never done before the time guys. And last month she been not telling me say if me Kina, but me always subscribe to Kina from a long time, from when he vlog with E-Mango, from I know Kina. So I feel good to actually meet him, you know. So
yeah,
really appreciate this guys. We get this as well, Mike.
Yeah.
Get a chai pan.
So guys, so this is the mic that my mom sent, you know. Here, so we sent two of them and also a selfie stick. So one is for Brookie, you know, yeah, one is for Brookie and one is for J.A. as well, to Javan J.A. Because we spend more time, you know, them have the videos them, but through them are so far away from the video, now really hear the voice of project. But with this now, you know, and some of our mic are working, so let me say progress, see me in the making, and them have the great work, see me, you know, so we give thanks. I remember them traveling all the way from St. Anne's, you know, here, you know, in Kingston right now, with the downtown. Second time for him. You?
First time on the channel guys.
Yeah. Alright, so. Alright. Yes. Alright, so imagine him watch it, you know. But now he's here.
Yeah.
And living in colors. Yeah. No, oh gosh. Make me feel like I'm born 1960s. You know? Yeah, but we appreciate the love, you know, because they watch and support CMU. And so check out them channel. I'm saying Giovanni J.A. The link will be in the description. And we have also Brookie TV. you know, we can check them out. So, Brookie, so tell them what kind of work you do on your channel.
You know me as a youth, I love adventure. As I mean, I cook same way. Find some rivers like Duns River.
Yeah.
So I tour them out. As I mean, tour them out Duns River be like. So my time I cook some food, be homeless, cook some food, me and job see and I eat same way.
Yeah.
And you know, I might find one or two people for the same way by talking to each other, but not yet still.
Yeah.
That's what I do on my channel. I cook out, find some rivers, show people them some
nice vibes.
There and all vibes.
Alright.
Cook you homeless, you know?
It's a good word. And Jab?
Yeah, so guys, again, really appreciate the blessing of Keen order for me. So guys, on my channel, once you subscribe and you find out we do a lot of feeding, cooking for the homeless, little bit of adventures, and more story time. So I'm going to go around and find like homeless people and make them tell them story.
Yeah.
So that's the most I'm doing on my channel.
Yes. And that is the blessing, guys. We know the blessings is here, so we are sharing the blessings. So, okay, that's you. So, you know, so for the meantime, we're going to make them burn some time and show them how to go in a trench town, you know. Give them a quick spin to show them the place, quick and fast. You know, because they always see it on the TV, so they put them a flick, they might come all the way. Yeah, one. See it there. Alright.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Yo, watching you know, over there now. Oh, sorry. Nobody in there, can't believe. I just think.
Alive, man. I saw the love set, man. You see me? And big up to Mummy Mission.
Marie, the mother still in there, bro.
Cooler, man.
Yo, Marie, bro.
Let me say Mummy is a son.
Always call me, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Always, you know.
I just say Keen, I'm a son too, you know, so you know the thing going, you know.
When she tell me, say, if I watch Kino, I say, of course I watch Kino. You know Kino. Kino live in Jamaica, of course. One time you did a Santana vlog with D Mango.
Yeah, man, Santana
you
come
did
like
the
a place as well.
over the fireplace. Watch the whole of them the vlog there, bro.
Yeah, man, Santana come like a place as well, you know. Love Santana, you know, Santana, I like the vibes down there. Yeah. I mean, like Santana vibes, you know. Like.
Yeah, you know, say you have some nice river down there, like, you ever got Duns River?
Yeah, man. We got Duns River as well, too.
You ever got one river named Landover?
No.
If I hook you up, you will see the river there. I think 1,000 off for going.
Okay.
But if me go now, I can go in free and job, because we can talk to them and see.
Yeah.
Which river?
Landover, man. I think he brought for visit down there.
Oh, one of them. She come from?
Yeah.
Yes.
In the yard around there, so.
Yeah, guys.
I'm not cheer them, I bring no cheers. I'm not supposed to.
Well, Liverpool you support. Liverpool you support, a man you will say.
No. That's how I'm do.
Yeah?
Brookie play football?
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a Brookie a baller. Oh, Jamaica full of talent, you know. Where say you tell them say me again? Yeah. Yeah. So you see the love always a show. Thanks. Cheese, sweet. Say sweet. Yeah. So this is Jenna, you know. Love Jenna from all the way from St. Anne's, you know. Welcome to that place. And Brookie. It's a Brookie. Yeah. Yeah, we're Brookie. Brookie man, you know. That's what they call it, Brookie. What Jenna, clip them? You just clip them?
No, that's not to the same.
Well, they must smell good.
Them have a quick.
And put them down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I'm up on the tree top, I'm surprised them with them bag and them thing there, so I can't get none.
Yeah.
That's why I born them, I know long time, I say Kino not come here, them now we have for Kino come.
Yeah.
So I go in the yard and come back out here to three of them. See Kino them, I say, so me a female.
Yeah.
Hear them. You see you, Jeff? For a long time, me and them there, them can't give them.
Angela know them thing I mean, you know.
Oh, Jesus, love them thing there,
Sweet. Yeah. Alright.
Hello.
Hello, so much Dream Team kids, I mean. Cola. So we have classic, we have cheers.
I have Tristan. Mika.
Tristan. So big up Tristan. And we have one Mika, high five, one cheers, one classic.
I'm sister David.
Mm-hmm.
But she can't, just because she can't come out.
Why they smell good, she can't come out.
That cheers name alone, I remember.
No, someone remember here.
You just say my name.
Mika, I say Mika.
First I said Mika.
No, you not listen, I say Mika. Don't say cheers.
Yeah.
What I say classic? Alright. Yeah, alright. Dynamite.
Yeah.
So the guys who play the zinc fences, them youth. Watching yourself. One down the mic, come through. So you see them man up on the video as well. Right, Rasta boom.
Oh man, you can't talk from this stuff.
Yeah.
Tell them I. Tell the camera I.
Oh.
Alright, so look. Alright.
Alright, I'm the rudest one.
And the coolest. You know what this is? Who? This is the great Rasta Jackson. And movie met them there, you know. My mother met them there, yeah. All the way from St. Ann. Them are the movie star. The viral. Yeah, that. Yeah. Yeah. Come in, Bob. Oh, come. The man are the star. You a movie star.
Yeah.
But we could bring him coming one of them days, man. One time dance I go on.
Yeah.
I said them man deal with dance, so deal with the word players. Yeah. And come. And come. They must be one place.
Here, yeah.
Dream Team kids will adapt, you know.
Yeah, so you know that.
I go on the car wash from one day, but nothing now go on.
What
go on the car? What? Thing go on?
Right off and stay and stop, you know.
Jam, I think I go wheel it, you know. In a dog again. See him here. No man, fermented. Yeah. But the roots itself, man, ferment to that.
Yo, I don't know you come here.
Where you from?
I beg you 5 minutes.
Where you from?
Yeah, YouTube man this. I see I put the pour.
Yes.
Okay.
I see it. Yesterday I see I put up something.
Yeah.
She said I can cook some food for them little one when we get it. The whole life same, but you know more than me.
Yeah.
You drive my dog, give me, you know.
Yeah.
I walk up and down, you know, want to kiss the man on there.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell.
You see?
Yeah.
You never know people in a trench zone watching.
I feel like when I know you, I can't stay there.
Yeah.
I live a change show, I believe, but I'm my ground. Me, I watch your family at Lindsay. I'm a fool. So I believe when you go down to Lindsay, I look one and sell out from the front and black one. Don't like cardboard. You know what I want? You have him a clone him up, so watch him.
You don't want no.
They are doing it, my friend.
You say, we're at the third, man.
Emotional about the place, they know my about this. I don't know if I anywhere I feel like.
Exactly. Yeah.
Profile. I'll work. Me a focus.
Hold on. It's a tape. What you say you have now? It's a tape?
Cars and a rape.
Yeah.
No, they like up in the downtown. This is how I grew up here. About up in a talk team and voice cartel. One down. Big up yourself, Dada.
So what you say we have here?
Yeah, this is the sea mush mixed with the beetroot and the carrot. This is what I say?
Yeah.
This is ginger and pine. I say the man name and when I say the woman, it's a pine and ginger.
Yeah.
Alright? Yeah, that's it.
So now the buck up in now?
No, I'm not the De La Vega talks. I'm not the Jones.
So I'm to the baby in the buckle?
Yeah, that's not there today, Dada.
Yeah, just everybody want baby in the buckle right now. It's about them time at the season.
Yeah, one year no boots tomorrow. You have to ride baby back. You drink that.
Yeah, no boots.
No boots.
You hear that? Popo, no boots.
No boots, you mean no boots.
Peanut, pumpkin seed, almond, oat, pearl, that mix up with arrowroot. That make your boss get a root. Yeah, that's it.
It's by the road. Right then. Yeah, man, because the Rasta always want them things there.
Yeah, man, we're on the white line every day, man.
Yeah. When a circle, just ask people for boom.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cool, man.
Boom. So you might go one fee one, right?
Yeah, so we're collecting.
This? The camera? Yeah, the asthma. Asthma package food. But Marina, where I get the buck up in now? Where I get the for the back? Eh? Baby, what go on? Oh, what your name have? This is Baby. Baby Tech Set. So she name Baby Tech Set, aka Dream Team, you know? So she the one where everybody Tech Set man. Yeah. Man, everybody, man, see there? Broke your Tech Set for her already. She said sit down there, sir. See? Just like that. So easy. So easy. So you don't have to go back to St. Anne's, you can stay at Kingston now.
Yeah. Years now, I don't travel. I know the country that I know St. Anne's, run away there.
Yeah.
And they say, come on, they come and see them. St. Anne's way. A breadfruit.
What? Breadfruit. Name it. I'm a big fan down there, no, baby. Everything. So she can load, she's driving now, so she will load up and come.
Let's see. You know, you respond to that.
Yeah, man. So here's what she want: breadfruit, jackfruit, tagfruit, banana. You will name it. Yam.
Irish.
Aki. She want Aki because she make her breakfast them too.
No, I'm not depend that right now. I've looked me, I look it. The morning they come in and buy nothing.
Yeah.
But I'm Malta. You've been drinking us and I bring me to a party. I feel like I'm going to do a pocket. I want that just give me good food.
Yes. Yeah, that broke it. Just give her good food and she's good. My mate broke it and go back a country, you know.
You are fine to bleed.
She has said it already.
You are fine to bleed, you.
Sit there, guys.
Yeah, sit there. Yeah.
Remember, over Block TV, one team, one gym. Subscribe, can go over Jav.
Yeah. Javon and J. Hey.
Yeah, with Kina said we are. Remember.
The cooking business now.
Yeah.
Cooking business now.
What going on?
I want to tell my people them because they must have know them not see me in a Kina.
Yeah.
The cooking business now and Sam's like a school.
Have you?
You know say I saw exam time and you know say I can't make him too drop back in Zimmy. When I Ghana when me there see him way.
Yeah.
So you know say a Friday now I don't know.
Cooking off your go on.
Yeah, because I don't know. Say look up hard and look around when I'm a true same way though.
Yeah. But
People,
Jello, where you saw you know, Jello, where you say?
Everybody the PR, every time I say, baby, give me 2 pieces of breadfruit and some ackee and some baby and prawns. And that more on top about bread that the people them for know how baby I deal with me.
So wait now, Kina me I give her tea, lunch, so I still forget her dinner. So what times again? Me like give this morning, me like give egg sandwich this morning. tell you, with a hot Milo, a cup of Milo tea. But now I tell you, burn up chocolate tea. A long time I don't see chocolate. Milo. Eh?
Take care of me, man. Yeah, man, she take care of me, man.
She take care of you?
Yeah, but sometimes she move away.
Oh. So now you want the dinner, though?
Yeah, me I say 2 pieces of bread for coming out pressure, you see?
Yeah.
No, pressure coming on the rice and pieces, 2 pieces of bread.
2 pieces?
Yeah.
You know, I get her 2 pieces of breadfruit right now. The juice them still stand up in the cash. Now I want to wash it.
See it there?
Thanks.
Broke it.
Nobody not going to see me and rush me.
Yeah.
You know, when you go down there.
Ain't you ready?
Are you for tell me?
Yeah.
Saturday. That boy broke you by the bone.
Jella said she want to broke you over and be
yeah, you see how Jella go on now. I wonder if Sylvia see this. Because she didn't get the 2 pieces of breadfruit and look her aki she go on. See me? Big up the whole dream team, you know, nothing change. See me?
I plumb here.
Love and love same way.
Yeah.
See me? I just because I look her cooking every day now, because every day the people them say me have to do it.
Yeah.
And then more time when Kino come out, them tell me I have to go for Sam school, you see me? Cause go for him to go pay a taxi fare, you know? Kinda heavy, you see me? But oh no, we see my man.
So, baby, Shelly over there.
She not gone away, guys.
She not gone away.
Like my brother said, no. She there.
They see him here.
Yeah, she not gone.
Right for the dream team ends.
Diploma. A long $10. Diploma.
One great day.
Tell them.
Papaya $100.
Yeah. Jackfruit there. One jackfruit. Jackfruit make a tag shoot. One jackfruit, plummy. One jackfruit. More. We
Them
get tag
jackfruit is
shoot.
sweet and nice and eat foodie.
And she not tell no lie. It's not Rudy. Here. Thank you, plummy. What's the bicycle? Yeah. No, see there? I hear much plumbing. Plumbing.
You hear me here? One plumbing.
It's a plumbing or plumbing. Let's do the intro.
Only plum $10. I'm selling at the rain, I'm selling at the sun. Me sell when me old, I'm sell when me young. Say plumbing.
And anybody lick me not done. So Popo, yeah. Say you're going, Brocky. Brocky can shine and until I say you're going. Yeah. Wow. See it there. Just like that.
Yes, guys, it was a pleasure. First time, Trenchtown, Kino Life in Jamaica. Really enjoyed myself again. Big up to Mummy. This opportunity. And I hope so we can, hope so Kino come down from the side, we can do some work together.
Yeah.
You know, bring him on the farm as well.
Yeah.
She's a Kino love you as I call himself. So guys.
Yeah, man, because I have some unique.
Comment, subscribe. Remember, check out my channel, Javani J. You know, when I go like, I get some great content over here.
Yeah.
Guys, more come back up here again. Hopefully, we can come up here and maybe do some work with Kino Pound, team, one team.
Yeah. And check out Brocky.
Yeah. Remember guys, go over my channel, subscribe. Brocky TV, spell BROUKY. I put TV, so one team, one G man. Big up Kino mother again for this man. It's Mike at the street, you know. So one team guys, stay tuned and watch you go on.
Yeah. Everything goes, so we gotta drop them off. You know, everything with them off. We gotta hit the road. All the way down into Sentence. You know? Yeah. So you know, that pleasure. So you know everything goes. So there's nothing but love. And so we always have the man that patrol the place. You notice. Esther! That's what them always carry. Where you go? Okay. Alright guys, so now we're going to drop them off from the head and home. can hear your ears.
Drop up in your ear, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, you know. And when they take you over there, you know, see him. Yeah, they take you over there.
They're not slow, man. They're not ready yet. How fast they want them move?
No, man. After coming and see
yeah. Wait till July. You see much happy there.
Apple, mango. Look on it. Blow, you know. Some apple tree there. I know, say.
Guys, a lot. No, but you get apple now, you know. So them time you get more.
January. I look at the tree.
You can find them there.
You can see say chop down, you know, it can be about fresh. Yeah, man.
See the point them are ready, you know.
Yeah, see,
General.
So them young
They say the point them are ready yet.
No, they're not ready yet.
Oh, God, Kino. The one over here, sir.
How long? Eh?
Next 5 months from now.
How long? Boy, next month. Okay. Remember say about the pine, a big one when I back there.
But then can't ready by next month.
Yeah.
That one, them there?
No, you have see big one there when I back.
Yeah,
at the back.
Big one there actually, but
yeah.
them there so can't ready next month.
Mm-mm.
Them there a bun lit.
Well, I'm lay waiting that pine. I thought if the owner pick them like by them turn there.
Well, we must take the film.
Look like a daddy one this.
That nice berry tree that.
Neesberry, yeah, I eat. It's a neesberry pan.
Blended juice. Neesberry juice. You know, if you use sugar everything.
So you know, Boomer is not here, the place quiet. No music. So you know, Boomer is not here. Yeah. Yeah, the bag is there.
Oh, I did it by me.
Jackson, you can't make that work there. You can't make that work there. It's the car, can't make that work there. Oh. Yeah. Jackson. You never walk on the stone them. That's out, over the side, walk up. Let me show you what. I said, yeah, son. Eh? I know which way you talk, man. Yeah, I know which way you talk. Are we alone there here?
Well, I think one of the last time you come out here. When last time come here, we alone there to either 2 girls, 2 white women, so.
Yeah. They said, well, come back up from all our vibes.
Yeah, man. And the one up there, go back up there.
Which one?
Up, what's name, man?
St. Thomas?
Yeah, right.
Morant Bay.
Morant Bay there.
Maroon man.
Maroon man.
Mm-hmm.
Up there, go back up there.
Yeah.
Maroon man, you see when you have barbo kilo.
Yeah. Them say more come for that one here, so.
I say, I look over place.
Yeah, man, I was spot this man. Yeah, man, I saw the spot, I saw we cook all the time. Yeah. All the dumpling, the man, I say, yo, first meet them dumpling. Yeah,
man. Wipe out all the thing out there.
Where the artist name again, what did they hear?
Hey, me I try remember, man.
So they're going to be coming up here all in a vibe. And I dry up, man. I throw the bag them used to there right there, so. So once the bag there right there, so. Yeah. So the water run on one side. I'm supposed to have some bag already, man. The youth, they put the jackfruit them through it like the man them get jackfruit and don't let them mash it up. After 1 hour jackfruit juice. Yeah. See him there, see him up on the river. Them say what up?
Check your wire for Jackfruit.
Yeah. Yo, so what I forgot, you know, Esther? Yeah. Yo, I got there right now, one. Yeah. And look, the man them mash up one. Yeah, what go better go check them.
See them booger come down here. What the bad man checking out? Bad man go yellow to them. Bad.
No, I go on, man.
It's the first time I pay a bar and back off away. No? You see for them get no? You see for them get them food?
You can smell the jackfruit. Watch your pool there, so. Yeah, you cannot hide already soon. No?
Yeah, them fight.
You can't hide already soon. No?
You could
Go them skinny can I?
Yeah, when you get jackfruit.
The trailer so.
Yeah, more jackfruit than that. Yeah, load of easy.
No jackfruit no left?
More up there. More up there?
Where you must say? Where you must say?
Evelyn.
Yeah, Evelyn.
I read this track car, me pioneering. Read this track can ask about jackfruit.
But Tara, Miss Tara. I try to know what I was trying to say.
Tara, alright.
Say hello.
Tara, but come on, long.
Tara. Hello, Miss Tara. You call me every day. You call me when you might come in. You're not talking now. Send me all voice note. Yeah.
You don't want to talk to Kino.
Send me advice.
Two come round. You have to just give her a time. No, so she stay. Yeah, she two come round. I study her. Yeah.
I see it.
You put the pussy in the machine.
That machine a roll.
Look, man.
That post me see in there.
Where the pussy at the wash? You know, wash the puss. Hey, where's the number up there?
Yeah. See them there, sure.
No.
Why they go kill my food? And I might get. And that's it.
Esther, that's a pure voice note I get from Tara. Pure. This is all Tara voice notes.
Yeah, come look for me today.
You're right. Yeah, come look for me.
Today? Come here, she said. Yeah, come look for me today. Make it real.
See, Tara. Hello.
Make it real. What she said. Yeah, come look for me today.
She just said that. Younger one. Yeah, come look for me today.
Look, man.
What?
Come car up.
Take time with the cat. Take time with him.
They say they're doing something to take the picture.
Let me start put up. Yeah, I see the pine. I said, man, that one ain't ready yet. I want to wrap my eye on it, you know. My eyes on this one.
No, man. Smell jackfruit, man. Jackfruit.
See tree there.
Right, man. Right, jackfruit. Yeah. Let me just smell one. Smell it.
Smell it, huh? I'm going to go make one reach on and smell it.
You know them? Chunks no jackfruit on it, right?
No.
None of them there when I look pants up and I look right.
Them
I know it's further up.
One like in the rooftop.
Look here, Daddy. You see that one up in the top? You see the big one, though?
Yeah.
It look like it right.
So one big one, the chunks that way up in at the top.
I think you know, come. You know what you find. Better remember that.
You just see it a while ago. It's not ready yet. Fine, not ready yet at all.
My father gone.
That's nice. This is the kitchen I put right here, so.
I tell you, move down there, so. I remember your cousin dropped down this. So remember. See him come, see the come.
Evening liquor, man. Put on your top, Toko. Tara, how you doing, Tara? Eh?
Yeah. See one right one up there. Daddy, come here. Look for that right one. You see that, so?
Yeah.
You want to pick out and that, friend.
No, you can make juice if it ripe.
I told we can't reach it.
So one on the top of the tree.
You know what, Kino?
And they look
You
like
drink water, like you eat your food and I drink the water.
Which one?
The jackfruit juice.
Oh. Yeah. See one that rotten there.
If you don't come with una rotten.
Which one?
Yeah, in
So answer me if it's not
when it fits.
Start at
I realize I don't jackfruit, I don't know.
Yeah.
Esther?
I got mistake.
So So one to all, one here right, so all out here, so.
For one pretty one, brother.
Funny come early.
Yeah, what they are building for you,
Just the one at the front. Yeah.
None of them are right.
One over there, them not open, no.
My youth don't want them right, man.
Them know.
You need to ask Chris.
Them dawa.
That?
Yeah.
That look like
The one beside the
star apple.
That big
Yeah,
one.
star.
A star apple, right?
Yeah.
A star apple.
That not dropping on.
Mean.
Mean is cheap.
Mean.
I
mean chunks.
Really climber. Nobody ever jump out of the tree and I pick you up.
Turkey.
So I'm not pick up. I like me there.
You can take him out?
Yes. So take him up and help him.
Help him.
What?
Hold him there, hold him. Oh, you climb tree in a socks.
I got the gym.
Right there, man.
Wrong way. You're not supposed to climb tree in a socks.
Yeah, man, because you have no grip. Huh?
Yeah.
You have no grip.
Bunky. And you can't climb that.
Of course we can't climb.
Yeah. At first, I see you climb that. I let me tell you, come on.
All them 30 grand.
Watch yourself, chunks.
You must have enough shibu mango tree you climb at the yard.
See them one there right there.
The aki tree them. Test it here, man.
When they knock it like an answer.
Yeah, man.
Oh, no.
Them said answer.
It answers, yes, I'm ready. It speak.
See, man, them done like
And I one day them pick up and drop down.
A little teeth out.
Chunks, I wonder where rotten.
Drop it down.
Take it off, man. Take out the one there, yeah.
And throw it down. Throw it down.
Esther, watch it.
So who can't catch it?
I want to catch
I want to eat that.
I want to catch it.
Sure, it's over here, so
No,
bush. Straight in bush.
Straight in bush.
So Esther, we've rat that eat it and nothing that. Nah, pies now, man.
Just cut off the top.
No, shall worry about if rat but eat it. Nah, pies now.
All the rat bite that. We cut it off and
What that boom?
Well, it says rat now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut out the part of them I eat, man. That's how we do it, cut out the part. So it's sweet. Very sweet.
Answer eat it.
Eat them, I eat a sweet.
A bird I eat that.
A bird I eat that, man.
The rat button, a bird I eat that.
Bird eat that. Get the knife and cut off the whole of this and see the rest of it pretty. First I start eat the first piece.
It's not mad, and I mean go pick it.
No, but show you who no want to eat it, I will start showing you how it eat. You get the message out in the work, that no mean.
If we don't come, that almost tastes, you know.
Yeah, that pick already.
Shouldn't say
Who have knife? You have knife down there?
Let me show them in and them cook.
No, they never have a knife in there.
So they must have knife.
Go off your knife, you have a baby. Go off your knife.
Take your time walk with the knife, come up, Cranberry.
Yes, Daddy.
And it just sample.
Yeah, that's your sample.
Yeah, man, I like you know. Anytime I watch you know, she may ever listen to you know, because sample that for true, you know.
Yes, Daddy, yes, Daddy. The first time you come up here,
And she.
what? That's my father, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, my daddy this, you know.
Yeah.
And from this, sir.
Yeah, the quiet one,
Everything took off.
From this, sir.
Yeah, man. They were shooting it.
Took off.
Say, I'm going to call around this upon phone and
Them say the next dog dead, you know.
Which one? The maga one?
The black one.
The black
The mother died, yeah.
Because the last time I come, I never see him.
Yeah, them say dead, she dead.
How would I find him?
I want to find her, not the bush. Around here, sir.
yeah, funeral.
When I bury her?
Burn, I say, yeah, funeral.
That's the funeral. She not come when I see her.
Burn the body. One more. When I see my two of them alone, I say. So the feeding down on them, now I
So when they pop it, and where pop it there, on the
I won't be in there, man. They say your Esther make some bad jackfruit and jelly juice, tell me I tell you boy.
They say boom get it, man, boom don't want it done.
Yeah.
Man, boom don't want it done, boom put it on.
Jackfruit time come out, you take a sip, and I look for me and you bleed.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Boom don't want it done.
And lock it back again.
Jackfruit punch, you know.
You put rum in it too? Boom say Boom say the first never eat something so he give me so much energy. The man say you want to see me I go to school.
The next day Kino come and boom, I see behind him.
Yeah.
Boom, the trail Kino come on me.
Boom say he want the bun.
He want the bun. Without the Kino when he get, I'm gone. And this him come from.
Yeah, no, Kino him really want to follow. That's him come for.
Some say boom there.
Well, the front boy,
You know, I'm going to ask Chris if he knows the jackfruit put on. Yeah. Ask Chris. Oh, well, I can't go let me slice it. Yeah. She'll come with the knife then.
Back again, huh?
Bad for true. Bad for true.
Cut left book and out around water.
Yeah.
Roll the jackfruit now outside and to go look.
Come with the knife now.
See the bush, roll the jackfruut now outside and to go look.
I tell them about her, and I tell her she alone eat her
can't come get daddy now.
Nah, put on for daddy. Alright, try put on something, man. You know what you have for daddy, and you can't daddy ever go on. If you try put on something fruit.
I never know for my daddy.
You know if you know.
Put it down.
You put it down. Alright, so in them right, now make sure tell in front of daddy.
Call him and say we have jackfruit.
Yeah, put on a jackfruit for my Esther.
Yes, and put it
Party,
down.
you will party. Say if you don't do my mom,
anytime it right, I give Chris to put it down for you.
Yeah,
I'm come collect it from Chris. Alright?
yeah, remember. And put it
I
down.
wonder, look, I know, well ripe, you know.
Just say sweet.
Overripe, man.
Sweet.
Right.
Eat it.
Throw it, keep that in the bush there, so.
Like that slide, you know?
So that now one, it have beat up a little bit. You don't want it beat up to get out the stain.
Beat up.
Beat it a little bit, man.
Yo, sir, wait name man.
Yeah, man, just beat it. You have to beat it a little, man.
Watch your hand.
Don't turn
Never
up.
say this for cut out 2.21.
Beat it. Chunk, you don't want to beat the thing, man.
Man, I say beat up the thing with her.
Well, wait there.
Beat up the stain.
Stain.
You can't roll it and give him to hold it.
Yeah, hold it good, man. I use this.
No, make him drop it. Him can't drop it.
Just beat it out, man.
Nah, drop it.
I peel the kid again to make the jackfruit drop and go.
Man, I'm beat it like I know I'm beat it.
Boom, no one get that lick. We don't have boom. Boom, me have all lick. Boom, I say. You know what? Be the one. Let not do it.
Alright.
Come on, though.
I live for the phone.
I shall use for touch. I Cranberry.
That's cocoa.
I see what I'm going.
Rasta woman, you're not talking.
There's a chunk that grew up in the country.
You ever rub that? The back
Cranberry, move your finger from there. My breath in that, man.
Yeah, we're there.
My breath in that, man. See, this is my dog. Come here. Come here. Come. 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 Yeah. Come. Come. Mm-hmm. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop. Tap, 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 tap. Kenny Rico now, whip me up. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Come. Jump.
I want them feet and then end up giving me a fight for sure the girls have. But to them enough with weed, that's why I have to pick it out.
Oh.
And feed them in.
Tara. You eat out the water of the jackfruit. She want D. You want D. Oh no. I eat out the water. Oh. So tiling start already?
Papi,
hey, leave her the talker. On the beer, but two on the beer. On the angle the cat, so. No, sir. The angle the cat like a one teddy bear.
What? One teddy. Leg up her.
Tara. Hello, Tara. The way you not angle the cat like it's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. Okay? Tara, your voice note you sell me and not call me. Kino, you're not coming.
See him come look for you.
And no look.
I
not talk me like. See me here. Me I go leave her. You hear Kenisha?
Kino go leave you.
Yeah, and Tara don't call me anymore. Cause I'm here and you not talk to me. How you doing, Tara?
Talking now?
So why
I'm not gonna answer you again.
Yeah, I'm not gonna answer you when you call me. Huh?
They want top back.
I'm not gonna answer your call anymore, Tara. Right?
I know if I make call you, I can say yes.
I'm not answer you neither.
You answer me?
Yes, Nana, me answer you.
If you not answer me, I want.
See Jackfruit.
Hey. Tara, babe, that's why that didn't beat me.
Alright guys, you can see. Yeah, calm down. As you can see now, the daddy started to tile the toilets. So I'm putting some tile already. As you can see, I'm starting to put in some tile work already. So I'm lay down 7 tiles already. 7 tiles already. You start using the toilet? Oh.
You know, so you still start pocket. If you go down there, you can see one of a stone in it.
Oh, the pit?
Yeah.
You start pocket?
Yeah, just see me and the girls saying bring a stone from over across the river.
Yeah.
Around the river. So yesterday we started it. But look, man, come give me a look. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. That's good. I'm seeing him start with the kitchen now.
Yeah.
Start. So we can play it back. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we start in frame out the kitchen already now. Kitchen frame out and everything. That's good. And when him start frame out?
Just about 2 days now.
2 days now. That's good. That is good. The one time I can't believe I keep calling my phone and I'm here now while you're hiding. I'm not gonna answer anymore. Yes, I don't answer, right? So okay. Where you are?
Go and go back. She gets my job, you know? My job. Stop that. Go and go answer for someone.
Sit there.
She should get there.
She not have a
Nana, come here. Come here.
What is
It's a mic.
Yeah, we'll get some.
editor?
Yeah.
Give me ice, cause don't take it to me.
So you can't bring none to me.
I want to bring mic for you.
Not like camera.
Oh, yeah,
Give my mother. I like mommy.
You want some now? Yeah,
We said last night, I said, but mother for call. So my mother said, I'm not calling me. When I come, you shut up, look a bit though.
She not talk to me. She not talk on the phone.
Tara, we are going later. Come now, we are going. Come now, we are going ice cream. Come now. Tara, he says come now, we are going to Tara, he says we are going to
But Tara not talk.
But you not talk. You not be able to say.
Tara not talk.
Come. Say mommy bye.
But make sure still.
Just show off. Guys, imagine it. Tara. Tara keep calling my phone, you know. And I ask me when I come. And she asks me if I not come beat Cranberry for her. She even asked it as well, you know. You come beat Cranberry for me because Cranberry liquor?
Yeah.
So Cranberry liquor. Cranberry not supposed to liquor though.
No, Daddy, don't know she get trouble. She a bust my sister head and my liquor. It's fine. Oh! I'm a pass and she a do the rule itself for slap her.
Oh. Tara.
The rule.
Tara. I'm not answer your call anymore. You're Tara. Not answer your call anymore, Miss Tara.
Yeah, bye.
Come to Tara call me every time. Kino, when you come look for me.
Somebody a call Kino.
Yeah. She's like, Kino, when you come look for me. I'm like, I'm too come. She called me the next day. She sent me a voice note. Every time I see that.
Watch out.
And show off. You want to beat Cranberry for you, Tara? What you say?
Yes.
Yes?
What?
You want me to beat her for you? What she did? You have to tell me what she did.
What she did?
She licked me.
She lick you?
Yes.
Show me which part she lick you.
Which part she lick you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. And why she lick you?
Liquor.
You don't lick her? And she lick you first?
Yes.
So you lick her back? You did lick her back?
You never lick her?
You never lick her? Who you lick?
Nana.
You lick Nana?
Yes.
Oh. So you lick Nana and then she lick you? Oh, so you hear that she lick Nana and then you lick her?
And she first Daddy.
She lick you?
Every night, every morning she throw the cat power away and she throw it on Nana and Nana afraid of cat.
You're not afraid of cat?
Nana afraid of cat?
Look here. Look here. See? That Tara do.
Do you not deal with this cat like that teddy bear?
You know say if him come or if they go river, him come with him?
Every night, if we go down there.
Or if them go down there in the night.
Him go down there.
Follow them.
No, I mean not follow him. Him follow all.
So the cat love the roughness. Tara. So you want me to beat her or leave her?
You want to get beaten?
Which one?
Which one?
Beat her.
Beat her?
Yeah.
Cranberry. She said must beat her, you know. Beat her for you? Which part you want to lick her up on her hand? Tell her to hold out her hand. Tell her to hold out her hand. So hold out your hand. See there? Hold out your down the car. Down the car. See? Me lick her for you, okay?
We are too Kimoga.
Okay, so you're okay now, right?
Yeah, right now.
Yes. So don't lick Nana though, okay? If you lick Nana and your mommy call me, nah, come back, come see you. So don't lick Nana, okay?
You lick her?
You lick Nana? Okay, good. You lick Toko? No, good. You lick Cranberry? That's good. What you want now, Toko? Toko, no Toko, no lift up. No Toko. You're a big girl. You passed that already, right, Nana? Alright, so Kenisha, I have 2 donations for you. Let me give you 2 donations that I got to help out. Right. So we have so Tara calm now, you know, guys. Tara, so she'll talk more. Because we speak on the phone more. She'll call me. Her voice strong?
Hey! So what do you
listen, her voice so strong.
Boyfriend?
Yeah.
Tara texted her, I said, hello, make sure you're good enough. Nana, sister, this, you know, make sure good.
Our voice is strong, guys. I'm not lie.
And then she think it was Toko, but
Atara, yeah.
Everybody think Toko.
So, alright, so we have $8,000 a year from Will from Canada.
Canada. Thank you so much.
Alright, make Toko go on.
Thank you from Kamali and
Canada.
Canada. And don't make your food basket never empty.
So thank Will from Canada.
What's your name?
Will,
thank you so much. Will, thank you so much from Canada. Thank you so much. I make your food basket never run empty.
So that's $8,000 from Will.
Will from Canada, thank you so much. You know, say, Will, I'm not tell a lie. You know, some gas just finished. It just finished. So me I tell you, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Tara, you too?
Thank you very much. I make your food basket never empty.
Give her an applause. I'm clap for her now. Well done, Tara. Tara. How old is Tara?
2. No,
3. She a 3.
You're gonna be 3.
She knows she a 3.
She a 3 now.
Tara, you're crying.
December.
December gone. Okay. So we have our next donation. We have $100 a year from Janine from the USA. Janine,
thank you from the USA and don't make your food basket never empty.
I mean.
Lean from the USA, thank you so much. I make your food basket never run dry.
So Janine,
thank you so much. Your basket never empty. Tara, come here.
Come Tara, make Tara come. So Janine,
thank you very much. I make your food basket never empty.
Janine, thank you so much and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
So here's the $100 from Janine. I will thank her and thank each and everyone. We thank Will. Thank you so much, Will. You know, God bless you. We thank you so much for your blessings. And see the kids them know them appreciate and everyone look Cranberry. You know, everyone appreciate it. And we thank him so much with your help out, you know. As you can see, Daddy I put in the work, you know. Kitchen going up. We start to tile the bathroom, so.
And then we have to go for dirt.
Sun. Some sun. So as you can see, the framework start. Him start to use the ply already. The ply out here and everything. So as you can see, Daddy ain't sitting and waiting around. He's putting the work. Him gone on the road?
Yeah, I'm just gone.
Okay. Okay, and another thing now about Cranberry.
Oh yeah.
Yes, about
when me end up
So guys, so remember about the scan, you know, the result. Finally we get the result now, so we know what's going on with Cranberry. You know, so the mom is going to explain and tell us what's going on, you know, and what the doctor said about the test, you know, what the result is said about. So we can know what's going on with Cranberry with her seizure. You know, so finally now we have an idea, we know what's going on. So the mom is going to explain it so we can get a load on for what's going on with Miss Cranberry. Right. So
as I'm say, I did end up bringing her, so I did end up give them the paper. So she explained, I did tell her say she asked me, oh normally she have the seizure. So I tell her say normally when she have it because them they have it in her book already. So they end up read it. So she told me, I told her she have an attitude problem. Even the hands when she go to school, she will be like
wait Tara.
I can't do that yet.
Not yet, Tara, okay? Tara, if you do that, I'm not gonna come back then, Tara.
Again.
Okay, Tara.
Lego.
Tara, not yet for that, Tara.
Lego.
Yes.
Normally our hands would be shaking. So normally the boil the tea. So I tell them, explain it to them. So she end up saying the seizure what she have, it normally the kids them have it the same symptom where they say are mood swing. But them tell me say make sure she normally have sleep in the day because sometimes it can cause it by she not having sleep in the day.
Just give me a second because you know Tara start to get into her feelings because Tara wanna get basically she still want breast. Tara still want titties, so that's why you see she been acting up, crying. So we kind of make the mom assist her first, and then we just find out what's going on. Cause basically, I don't know how Tara still on breast CMA, so basically Tara is crying for titty. You understand? So we make the mom assist her, and then we'll just get back to the story, so she can tell her what's going on. So basically, she's crying for that. You know, so just give her a second.
Yeah, no.
Me and Tara no friend. Me and Tara no friend. Me and Tara no friend. Tara, bye bye. Tara, bye bye. Alright then. Yeah, so.
Oh, as I was saying, when I go over there, I did explain it to her because she said me have to explain it.
Yeah.
But them normally have it in the records. Like when she come over there and when she normally have a seizure, because normally when she have a seizure, I bring her for UC. So them they have documents, but them they say they want it also the same.
The documents from UC.
Yeah. So I end up get the paper, she end up read it. So she was asking what kind of symptoms. Because normally people have seizure, them have different
type of symptoms, yes.
So I did tell her, say, like her hand when she go to school, she can't hardly write, her hand would be shaking. Yeah, like she have nerve problem. Like the hands would be like shaking. And sometimes it will happen, sometimes it will not happen. So she say when people them have seizure, that some of them have it occur.
The shaking.
Yeah, the shaking. So them say when them do it, they're not gonna do the brain or no, she not get no hit or no. It was okay, but she need like more in the day. She need for the whole more sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, cause she not sleep no time in the day. So them say she have miss out that. So she need to sleep more like in the daytime when she come from school.
So basically, them said the brain scan was okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
So it's a seizure now. She just need to like sleep more during the day.
Sleep more in the day. Cause normally that the seizure makes you do sleep.
Okay.
So maybe she not take the rest, so she normally forget. So them tell me say make sure sleep like in the day, and then in the night she will roll her normal sleep, but she will not take.
So them say about the attitude.
Yeah. And them say even a teacher, as we tell you, say down at the school, me da try explain it, cause same thing with she too, no.
Yeah.
So me da explain and say sometimes she have mood swing. She will just there and just get up and have mood swing for nothing at all. And then they see click on her. But sometimes when she get too moody, we see she have it. So that's why them da explain to her, and them say some of the people that have the seizure, they have that too with it. So sometimes she don't even know she has say it. So I just try to know so she's one of like them special child, I just have to just know. But me, you know, as a parent, I tell you the truth and truthfulness, if you listen. Me will her spank her, and she know that too. Right is right and wrong is wrong. When I go make sure you're sick, make me not go put my hand on you. Because you see them opinion nowadays, if you don't put your hand on them gas tree. And I don't want she gas tree. So you see me, if me as a parent, you know, I know say, oh, she stay, she over friendly. So I start make sure stay at home. But I just know say, she just stay at home with me. I watch her more because she can have a seizure in the water and nobody know.
So she have the seizure.
So she have it. So normally if she even go up on the road, her sister them will be always with her. If she dey at school, somebody there with her. Because it can occur anywhere.
Anytime, So them said affect her speech as well too? It affect her speech in any way?
Yeah, because I know say the last time when Cranberry have a seizure, she don't even remember me. Like when she get up,
she don't remember you?
She don't remember my mother. Normally she don't have to remember my mother. She never remember my mother. She don't remember nobody at all around her. Until the next day, she will start flick and tell everybody. And you have to ask her friend name. Normally the doctor that say, what your friend name? Because she have a best friend at school. I know her best friend. So that here she had tell her the first name them. I say, remember the person they are out to you. So she don't remember it the next day. But when she have it, she don't remember nothing. And if you wake her up, the other thing she got to tell her so she want water. No more than water. She just drink water the whole day, entire day. When she have it, she just wake up and just say more water. But when I make she move off of the bed, because you know so them can drop. When them have it, me have to tidy her. And make sure say she good for the whole day. And just watch her. Because normally her lips, she will be biting up her whole her lips. So me have to put my hand in her mouth. Them tell me say that a reset of the brain. But me, when me see the way how she bite up her lip, I always put my hand in her mouth.
So she not bite it
That
up.
she not bite up the lip itself. Because when the lip swell, you can see say it overswell.
Yeah.
When she bite it up. And you can see the bite marks them, so you have to watch her.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Alright then guys, so yeah we got some answers, you know, so at least we give thanks, you know, it's nothing worse that what we was thinking about, you know, we're glad to say it's nothing major as well too. So we give thanks, we thank the Lord for that. You know, so it's minor, you know, so I shouldn't even do sleep more during the day. You know, when time we're young, our parents used to give us a thing called Perital. Remember Perital? Them sleeping pills to make us go sleep during the day, because trust me, kids not like sleep during the day. They want to make sure so them spend the whole day up and down, running up and down, have all of the fun. Kids don't like so when night come, because they know when night come at bedtime. And they know next morning, school morning. So during the day, we never literally want to miss out nothing at all during the day. We never get want to sleep.
Ask your friend.
Yes, we don't want to miss nothing. So we kind of understand, so it's very hard for them to sleep, you know, during the day. So we give thanks, it's nothing major, you know, so we're thankful for that.
Oh, and guys, I still work on the song Makina tell me about.
Yes.
And I get a rhythm, so so get the song from me. You don't believe. Just believe, trust and believe.
Trust and believe. So alright then, women, so take care then, yeah?
Right,
so
then,
I'm come back check you know tomorrow.
Alright then.
Alright then, so we'll give thanks.
Enjoy the break.
Well, we're not getting none. That done. The jackfruit they done.
So I get that even one little piece, I'm gonna try and make the pick.
Yeah, but he pick for himself. I went there, I want to corner here, so.
Yeah, I
He pick for himself. So, I eat that. Alright. So 30 grand there and prefect there.
Yeah.
On the riverside.
Alright guys, safe journey going down on the gravel.
Yeah.
You too, see that.
Pure game tunes playing.
Good flower, yes I.
You can't walk anywhere, man. How about the bring us first? Boom and there, so I go and reason. Oh, the jackfruit, that chunks. Jackfruit, they well sit down on the chest. And the name of the whole of the jackfruit.
Everybody shot and everything there.
Jackfruit.
The punch in that, the punch in that.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a dinner, we ain't going to boom the one.
Yeah. Boom saying body shot at them thing there.
There's something like boom that you want it done, man. Lap on the bag, every photo of water.
Just imagine how when the buckle get empty, what him do with it?
Rinse it out.
What?
Rinse it out with water. You can't stay there.
No, but the buckle not throw it, man.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
And just put it back on the fridge.
Yes, man. Rinse it out, man.
Boom say, yo, but now like it give me pure energy.
Yeah,
me I walk and I just feel like, you know, fast.
Boy, me I tell you, but I remember, yeah, I remember booming over stuff.
Yes, so that can make one cup, right? At least a cup.
For you?
Well, that's all. Can I make one cup?
Yeah.
Can I
make a cup, like 8 ounces. Or if you want, no, it depends on how you want it.
Can long water it?
Or if you want it, water.
Can long water it?
Long water.
Yeah. Hey. Can long water it, man. Because Jack said want a spoonful.
I tell you quite now, the boom set here give me that.
We can't buy jackfruit, you know. We can see. We can't buy jackfruit.
Then we have none there now, popping. Otherwise, a ton. You'd have to walk the market.
I walk one. If I turn to make me
I don't think you got, well, popping a local market part yesterday.
No, man, serious in the dark.
I'm going to go spot some only now the
serious.
Boom, pull back the seat front there. No, the front of the seat. Lift up the back now. Alright guys, so blessed love. So we're going to Eddie now. You know it's that time. Boy, I'm say anything though.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.